Hello, I'm Santiago, Senior Technical Support Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the series V4 Flotect vane-operated flow switch. In this video, we will be showing you how to swap out the switch mechanism, which can be accomplished with the switch installed in line, saving you both time and money. First, we'll need to take off the cap. There are quite a few threads up here. We'll then take our tool here to remove the snap ring inside. Alright, once we have that out of place, just pull our wires out through the top, so that way we can remove the ring. There, we should be able to wiggle out the internal switch mechanism. Now I want to open our new switch. In this one's case, the orientation is protected by a little nipple here, so you can't put it in the wrong way. You'll have to line up this inside of here, the internal connection there. Once that's in place, I want to put our ring back in here. And feed the wires this way. Now you'll want to secure your snap ring back on that lip in there. And from there, we'll put our cap back on. And we can test with our multimeter here to ensure proper function. We will connect our black to our black and our red to our red. And we should see a signal change here from a 0 to overload or a 0 to 1 if you're testing for continuity, just by moving this lever's position here. And of course, if it's in line, you can just turn your flow on and off to see if you're getting the change. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.